Hi all, welcome to another edition of Evin's Morning Roundup. Now, given today it's 12:12, I think I'll let it slide. But what you're about to see over the next number of minutes is today's musical special. So sit back and enjoy the ride.
Yeah.
Oh no! Oh no!
You didn't break the circle.
Is that
Don't forget the license card.
I was getting quite tired just there.
Was that a fart?
Then all
Yeah, fucking. My farts don't smell.
Hey! We got him. Not in a coma.
Alright, if you told Tootsie once more, you're getting minus another DVD.
This is the end, beautiful friend.
Do you ever feel guilty that capitalism can't provide valid improvements for the people in the developing world? Do you ever feel like you could do something small to make it less that way? Despite the fact that capitalism is not improving the lives of the people in the developing world. Well, boy, do I have the product for you. It's called Keeping Coins Beside Your Bed to Put in the Troker Box. This Easter, remember to put coins beside your bed into the Troker Box. Thank you very much.
What's public transport like in Cork? It's shite.
Pedestrians are losers. They see me rolling. Let's get this bread. Poor Paddy works on the railway.
Me on the train. Spent hours looking at her horoscope and at other astrology conferences and shite like that. Now, don't get me wrong, Lauren, I know you like astrology, but what I'm saying is, it's horrible, and I can't accept that, and you're not welcome in my house because of that. Before anyone asks, yes, I'm a Libra. Yes, I was born on a Cancer moon. Get over it.
Take 3. Every day, thousands of people in Cork City cycle. You're gonna see why I'm so cool today. So today we're going to do a roundup of the headlines on women's magazines here at Tesco in Tullow, County Carlow. So Inside Soap Puzzles leads with your ultimate soap challenge. Well, I mean, I presumed every week would be like that, but yeah. Yours, Britain's #1 fortnightly, says, unlock your energy secret. Yeah, let's not do that. Then Best leads with the real face of Ulrika. That is her real face there, I would presume. Then, of course, Chat, which would be personally my favourite magazine here, leads with Mum saved me from her rapist hubby. And I met my man aged 3. Now, I don't know whether or not that's a story from Jared Coughlin, who, as we've revealed, does have child abusive tendencies, but I suppose I'll let him comment on that. Thanks very much, and make sure to tune in later.
This is the end, beautiful friend.
Welcome everyone to today's instalment of Today's Tea. And today we have Lucy Hegarty, a third-year architecture student, on to join us. Lucy, you're very welcome to the show. And I have one question for you. Do you think Ronan Brosnan ate those chocolate fingers which were found at Marx's desk this week?
Yes.
Thanks everyone for tuning in, and thanks to my production team for making all this possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my vlog series. Thank you.